Hello, everybody. This is Aurora Labs team here, and as always on Fridays, this time we are doing the Friday Alpha Lake sessions with all of you, with our community, and showing what are the new tech stuff is happening in the Aurora ecosystem. This week we do not have lots of updates for you, but though we're still keeping on delivering things, and we would like to share some of the interesting and intriguing parts and additional some new additions to the Aurora tech this week. And I would like to start with one of the common problems that people are having is the finalization step of the transfers from Near and Aurora to Ethereum over the Rainbow Bridge. So the way how Rainbow Bridge is working, because of its trustlessness and decentralization, in order to finalize the transfer from one chain to another, you need to send a transaction on that chain. And within this transaction, the Rainbow Bridge smart contracts are actually verifying that the initiating transaction was actually happening. And because of this verification, this transaction might be quite costly. So the cost of this transaction for the transfers from Near and Aurora to Ethereum is around 330,000 Ethereum gas. While this is not the biggest transaction in the world, some transactions on many different projects, other smart contracts, they actually might take millions of gas. Still, this is quite an expensive transaction just because everything is expensive on Ethereum, right? Especially at the moments in time when the gas price are higher than 100K. And many people are trying to start the transfer with a very, very low amount of money. And once they are getting to the moment when they need to confirm or finalize the transfer on Ethereum, they're facing the issue that, well, they need to pay almost the same amount of money that they are transferring in order just to finalize the transfer. So these tokens of these users, the users are very, they're not feeling well about this, and they're feeling pretty bad that they literally lost their money. So in order to some kind of alleviate this issue, the bridge team introduced an additional screen in the flow of this transfer. So if you have connected to the new Rainbow Bridge application, it is located at rainbowbridge.app. If you will do the transfer from your, for example, Aurora address to your Ethereum address, this is what you can see here. This is the new transfer. I'm clicking continue. Then, as you can see, this interim screen tells you that this could cost you 175 US dollars. And this is happening exactly because 330,000 gas in the current prices of Ethereum are worth of this amount of US dollars. So this additional screen, we hope that this additional screen will give an additional notification to the user that something is not going to work, at least as he expects, that this is going to be a super cheap transfer and so on. So we are just putting this additional screen here. And well, in case you are understanding it and you are able to read at least the caption of this notification, and you are clicking continue, that you know what you are doing, then you probably can do the transfer of some kind of amount of ETH or any other token that you own in. So yep. So this is an addition to the Rainbow Bridge for this week. So please use it wisely. Please read the things that are on the websites when you're clicking through the interface. Another news is that we figured out that Aurora community actually launched their Twitter. So this is super cool. And in case you would like to know, probably it happened actually pretty recently. In case you would like to know some news that are reported from the community, or you would like to share something, you can write to this account. Probably like, I'm not quite sure who's owning it, but it seems like this is a community effort, and maybe you would be able to actually share some news through this account. So follow it, and you will be aware of all of the community news that are happening within the Aurora ecosystem. An additional thing that we wanted to say is that DIA, this is a platform for that is implementing the Oracle solution. And we see that they are testing the integration with Aurora. So in case your project would like to use, for example, price feeds or some additional Oracle data, then you can use DIA as an Oracle solution. They are not yet live on the mainnet, but in their documentation, you are able to see that they have a deployment on the testnet. And in case you're thinking of developing an application that is going to utilize this Oracle feeds, then maybe you can try it already right here, right now on Aurora testnet. As always, I'm stressing out the page aurora.dev, and you can go at career page here. We have quite a lot of open positions, and we're inviting everybody to apply for these positions. There are quite a lot of people that we are looking for. You're always welcome in the Aurora team. We would be happy to work with you in case you will be able to pass through our interview process. Anyway, that's it. Not a big in terms of the announcement news. In terms of the announcement week for Aurora now, but I believe the next week is going to be pretty full of different new things and major things happening on Aurora. So thanks everybody for watching, and see you in exactly 1 week from now. Till then, latest.